guys, what's up? We have another insanely cool car here today for you guys. This brand spanking new Golf 8 GTI in this beautiful moonstone grey color. I think it looks absolutely insane. So this car has already been decontaminated and paint enhanced, and now we are ready to apply the self-healing pre-cut PPF over the entire car. And we have a little surprise for you guys, so let's hop inside. So this is very exciting, guys. We are introducing a new service to you where we will be offering pre-cut PPF kits for your car's interior, and this will just protect your piano trims from any scratches or everyday wear and tear. PPF has already been applied to the entire exterior of the car, and as you can see, we're now moving to the interior. That's a wrap for this Golf 8 GTI. It's now protected inside and out, and it looks glossier than ever. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, drop it in the comments below. See you in the next one.